Hydrogen has been shown to have therapeutic effects against endometrial cancer, the most common gynecological cancer worldwide. In 2019, a study was conducted at Shanghai University hospitals and laboratories to evaluate the efficacy of hydrogen in treating endometrial cancer and understand its underlying molecular mechanisms in endometrial cancer cells. Laboratory experiments were performed on 2 human endometrial cancer cell lines. Endometrial cancer cells were cultured in a hydrogen-rich environment for 24 hours. 6 samples were collected and cells were divided into 2 groups: hydrogen-treated and untreated controls. RNA sequencing was conducted on hydrogen-treated endometrial cancer cells to investigate the roles of signaling pathways and functional gene groups. Hydrogen was found to induce apoptosis in endometrial cancer cells. Apoptosis represents programmed death, or so-called cell suicide of cancer cells. A special analysis was used to measure apoptosis levels in the endometrial cancer cells. It shows that in cancer cells treated with hydrogen, apoptosis is significantly increased after 24 hours of hydrogen treatment, compared to the untreated group of cancer cells. To assess the potential role of hydrogen therapy in combination with radiotherapy, hydrogen-treated cancer cells were exposed to radiation. The results demonstrated that the combination of hydrogen therapy and radiotherapy enhanced the rate of programmed cell death in tumors by approximately 60% compared to hydrogen-untreated cells. Obesity and insulin resistance are considered risk factors for endometrial cancer. Molecular hydrogen has been demonstrated to have therapeutic potential for type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and various inflammatory diseases. Hydrogen can easily penetrate cell biological membranes and diffuse into the cytosol, mitochondria, and cell nucleus. It is administered as an inert gas for inhalation at normal body temperature, or dissolved in water to produce hydrogen water or hydrogen saline, offering anti-inflammatory approaches for treating pathological conditions. The findings of this study support the notion that molecular hydrogen holds promise as a novel therapeutic approach for endometrial cancer. For more details on the benefits of hydrogen in the fight against endometrial and other types of cancer, visit one of the world's largest databases of scientific articles on the subject, published on our website hhobulgaria.com.